announce the leader sponsor of the Head Philippines Junior Graphene XT Junior Tennis Satellite Circuit. Sir Albert.
Like we used to say in Globe, no? Globe morning, everyone. Allow me to use my glasses. I'm not as young as the kids here. Firstly, Globe morning, especially to our friends from the media and our partners from Head Philippines. This is like a walk down memory lane for me. Many moons ago, when tennis was still part of my blood, no? I never imagined I'd be in an event like this. So it's really a pleasure to be with you today and represent Globe as the company takes on the role of being the lead sponsor for the 17th Head Graphene XT Junior Tennis Satellite Circuit. It's with a lot of pride, Globe is honored to take part in a very worthwhile endeavor to discover the next great big talents. Many moons ago, the names such as Felix Barrientos, Cecil Mamit, Johnny Arcilia, and my crush back then, Diane Castillero, were the names that we were looking at when I was into tennis. At Globe, actually, we feel Filipinos love the sport. That's why we make it our best. We make it our best to provide a very wonderful experience and opportunities for our kababayans. The kababayans, especially our youth, who are discovering the joys of tennis. Actually, I'm pleased to say, no, that we're in the midst of two promising players whom Globe has been supporting for some years now. We're joined by Alex and Nico Ayala. Fans ako dito sa Facebook. They've been carving their names in the sport early in their careers by winning tournaments not only here in the country but also abroad. Seeing them here with us is an indication that it is indeed possible to pave the way for our kids to make it big in the open courts. You know, I'm also happy to note that our friends from the sports beat, that aside from tennis, Globe is also making significant inroads in other sports. You may recall some years back, Globe supported heavily the Philippine Volcanoes as they made the country proud in rugby. It might also interest you that our own enterprise ICT group, the Globe business, also powers the sport of cricket locally for the business process outsourcing industry, participated mostly by expats and foreigners. Speaking of which, the business segment also stages a lot of the biggest golf tournaments for the CEOs of top corporations in the local business. I'd also like to say that we're currently supporting an advocacy called Football sa Bayan, which is also a nationwide engagement to provide the initial interest of the young in the countryside to the sport, which others in their age are also enjoying in other parts of the world. In fact, before the month ends, we'll be inviting you to another press con or press briefing as we make an announcement to formally kick off the program this year. Now, going back to the participation of Globe in the Head Philippines Junior Tennis Satellite Circuit, the company will make its presence felt in every game played across the country. More than just merchandising and branding activities, our executives, managers, officers, staff from our nationwide complement will be there to cheer every victory, every serve, volley, and smash as we witness the evolution of our young hopefuls turn into the best tennis players that they can be. So that said, I know you're all just as excited as I am to get this engagement with Head Philippines underway. So to the players joining us here, Globe wishes you the best of luck. To the members of the media, please accept our thanks in advance for helping us spread the word of this noble endeavor. Again, a wonderful day to all.